We riding Burke life, baby. Yes, sir.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Vaughn_34SRT, man. Back to the channel. Man, we got new parts coming in daily for the Donk. Brand new, nothing used. Caprice Classic. These are the side emblems on the quarters, brand new. Gotta get them dipped in gold. Trunk lid, gotta get dipped in gold. Freshly chrome. Side back window pillars. Got some more stuff coming in this week, so stay tuned to the channel. Basically, we got the car getting sanded down. Donk came in, interrupted me. Basically, what I was saying, YouTube, we got the car sanded down. Okay. Monty Wheel Ford's coming in a couple weeks, so waiting on that and the steering wheel. Gotta get those dipped in gold. We got a Tierra grill getting made. It will be in gold already, so shout out to Tony from Tierra getting that done for me. What else we got coming? Got to start on the interior. I've been playing around because I've been working on everything else. The motor is locked in. Got LS mounts, motor mounts coming for that. Change up the motor mounts so I can sit a little lower. Got my guy Jimmy out of Richmond, Virginia, gonna weld those in, get that all bolted up. Wiring harness, we got to call my spot in Arkansas to see if they open yet. Due to the COVID-19, to see if they open, so I get the wiring harness so we can start the car up. Really, we're moving pretty fast on the Donk. What I got to say now is to repair my floors. I got a couple of rust spots in the trunk I need to fix. Gonna lift it up in the air. Was gonna do a frame off, which I probably will anyway, but I just probably spray the bottom all black. Probably not gonna be no candy on the frame. Due to I'm trying to get this car built, I really don't want to be sitting out too long. And let's see, we gotta get suspension parts from Donk Ride or Die on Instagram. And that's basically it. We'll be rocking and rolling and then find me a good old painter. I had somebody in Houston gonna paint me up. He got COVID-19. He painted the Magnum airline. They painted the Magnum when it was candy purple. Let's see. So prayers out to him. Hope he get well. Thought about letting Alfonso do it. Hearing a couple little signals here and there on the paint. Really don't got time to waste on the Donk, so right now we think it might stay in-house in Richmond. And OG Donk on Instagram, he be spraying real good, so we'll see. Could go Candy Randy. I know everybody gonna say they painters, but I'm real picky when it comes to that candy, so y'all stay tuned and watch this channel. I appreciate y'all stopping through. As y'all see, man, it's going down. We about to get motor mounts. My man Jimmy came in, the Escalade King.
Nah.
Then came in.
No, Escalade King here.
You know, we about to get the motor mounts welded in. We got big plates. What size plates are these, Jim?
8 by 8 quarter inch.
8 by 8 quarter inch going in. Yeah, stay tuned. About to get this intake off the spare motor off. So we get that powder coated, take it to Doc, the paint man. Y'all done seen Jimmy's ladies car, Candy Perk. I'm gonna powder coat my valve covers, which he already got. And gotta take my intake off that one so he can get it. So we got the Donk getting process worked on.
So we can't take this off, huh?
Talking.
Man, my man Jimmy came through to help me out. Look at that, flywheel come off ease. So you know we gotta take the engine and transmission off now, because that's what I'm missing.
Come on.
So I'm gonna have to take it off just like that, so I remember to put it back on right. That bad boy boy got that power.
This is a 1/2 inch.
Motherfucker take a tire off with no problem.
I got this I bought one of these personal for my house.
For real?
Yeah. $250 just for the fucking gun.
Why you didn't give me that for my birthday? Y'all want to buy me bottles? That's what I need right there. Y'all talking about I be working slow on y'all. Oh, look at Jimmy. Jimmy over here can take somebody's whole life away real quick.
You have to give shit back to Charlie. He got all the goddamn.
Charlie didn't have no charger pack. He gonna give me a gun with no charging pack.
There you go.
Appreciate it. There you go, YouTube, man. If y'all need them, y'all can't get them. That's my personal lifesaver. Every time. Classic came down. I broke a dry shaft bolt. Who came to help me? Jimmy. You know what I'm saying? Anything Jimmy need, he know I'm coming, because I gotta help. He always help me out.
So how does the flywheel come on now?
What we got here?
We caught it.
Motorcycle.
Vintage. I don't know what year, I just know it's old.
All the pieces to the motorcycle. Gross. So we got some body work we gotta get done. Somebody try to fit it in with Bondo. We got 1, 2. That's a crack in it. And then we got the bottom patch. So we're gonna see if we can repair it. Might just get a new fender. Might be just cheaper to get a new fender. You gotta pull that out on the trunk lid. That's repairable. Finish this side tomorrow, but this is like my good side, so I ain't really pressing on it. This is my bad side over here. And I'm actually pretty shocked. Ain't really nothing bad but the fender. Metal work. Whoever I bought the car from, whoever they had repair fender, put a lot of filler in it, but ain't too bad. She all solid, which I'm surprised, because I thought I was gonna have to buy a door and all that, but I think I might be all right. Might just go and buy the fender. It can be repaired, but probably just buy it. Just depend on time, how fast we get it done. I think I could buy a patch for the bottom piece of the door, and that's really the bad part. Everything else is straight, solid. Buy motor protector. We'll clean that. About to reposter it anyway. But yeah, as y'all can see, getting it in. Got a Bondo spot. 7 layers of paint on this thing, which is crazy. 7 layers of paint. Got some high and low spots. This side pretty much solid. You gotta take off my chrome trim at the bottom. That's my baby, a Viper. I know we got the chain in though. As you see, he over here painting up bikes. Got the paint booth. Probably my next step, getting the body work done, going to primer.